India's fiscal roadmap has taken a fresh turn with the Union Budget 2026, building on the foundation laid by the Union Budget 2025. Let's break it down. First, the biggest shift is the stronger push toward growth and investment. Oil Budget 25 focused heavily on infrastructure expansion and fiscal consolidation. Budget 26 it further with increased capital expenditure aimed at boosting jobs, manufacturing, and long-term economic momentum. On taxation, Budget 26 proves more relief and simplification compared to last year. The government has continued its focus on making the tax system easier with tweaks designed to support the middle class and encourage spending a step ahead of the most adjustments seen in Budget 25. When it comes to social sectors, healthcare and education allocations have seen noticeable increases in 26, reflecting a stronger emphasis on human capital. Last budget laid the groundwork, but this year's budget expands funding and introduces more targeted schemes. Another key difference is the sharper focus on green growth and digital innovation. While Budget 25 introduced sustainability measures, Budget 26 expands investments in renewable energy, clean technology, and digital infrastructure to support India's transition to a future-ready economy. Fiscal discipline remains a priority in both budget, Khalil, but this year's budget outlines a clear path toward reducing the fiscal deficit while maintaining growth momentum, balancing stability with expansion. So, overall, if Budget 25 was about strengthening the foundation, Budget 25/6 is about accelerating growth, boosting confidence, and preparing India for the next phase of development.
இது போன்ற தகவல்களை அறிய இணைந்திருங்கள் புதுயுகத்துடன்.